It's been a while since I've reviewed earbuds from Haylou, and the last one we've looked at was the Haylou T19, which was about half a year ago.
But I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on.
Today we're taking a look at one pretty amazing budget earbuds from Haylou that seem to get almost everything right. So let's see how these earbuds perform. Welcome to a review of the Haylou GT5. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Haylou GT5. So these earbuds are graciously sent to me by Haylou for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The GT5 retails for about US 20 and that is about 88 Malaysia ringgit, and it falls nicely in the realm of budget earbuds. And for a price to performance ratio, this one is definitely hard to beat. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So if you own or use the Haylou GT1 series of earbuds, you'll feel right at home with the GT5. The build of the GT5 is very similar to the GT1, but the case is just slightly taller. The case is made out of the same finish as the GT1, and to be honest, it's the kind of plastic that would scratch up easily, so you gotta take good care of it wherever you bring it. At the top of the earbuds, you get the nice Haylou branding, which is very nice and stealthy. Flipping it to the back, you get a nice USB Type-C charging port to quickly charge up your earbuds, and looking at the bottom, Haylou also added a flat surface so that it supports Qi wireless charging, so slap it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. Hidden at the front of the case very stealthily is a 3 LED indicator, and it subtly lights up and tells you the battery percentage of the case when you open up the lid. So far, everything about this case is on point. The lid action is also very smooth, but it doesn't come with any fancy hinge, only a simple friction lid that holds the lid in place for you to access your earbuds. And the earbuds themselves are really very tiny and very similar to the GT1 series of earbuds, but now comes with a more shaped front face, and the touch sensor in the surface now is also cut out and more obvious, making it easier to know where you're tapping onto so you can actually feel it on your ears. And behind the earbuds itself, you get an in-ear detection sensor, and at this price point, it seems that Haylou is going all out and giving you all the bells and whistles on these budget earbuds. So ultimately, the earbuds will give you about 4 hours of continuous playback time, honestly not the highest in today's standard and could honestly go a little bit longer, and the case itself gives you a total of 24 hours of playback time. The earbud takes about 2 hours to charge up and the case takes about 3 hours to fully charge. So the Haylou GT5 has a very specific audience in mind and is really suited for someone that is new to the TWS scene and wants something budget but also good at the same time. The GT5 comes with a Realtek Bluetooth 5.0, which gives you support for AAC and SBC audio codec, honestly sufficient for those who use it for casual listening like Spotify, and you'll be plenty satisfied. The GT5 is also rated to be IPX4 and should give you sufficient protection for your workout, sweating, and even getting caught under the rain shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. With that sensor on the earbuds, the GT5 also gives you the convenience of autoplay and pause when you remove the earbuds or put them back in your ears. So great stuff for a budget pair of earbuds to have that feature. These earbuds also provide you with independent audio playback on the left and right earbuds, but because of the in-ear sensor, it momentarily pauses your media when you remove it from your ears. Lastly, there's no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. I'm honestly not surprised with Haylou's sound performance, and the GT5 definitely doesn't disappoint, especially for a budget earbud. The earbuds comes fitted with a 7.2mm polymer resin dynamic driver that does a really good job at delivering good sound quality. Bass on these are pretty good, it's strong, but at lower volumes it's not as thumpy. But when you blast these earbuds, they definitely sound really good. With that bass, mids and highs are not at all sacrificed, so really good stuff there. You get clear vocals, and instruments like cymbals get projected nicely across the entire range. Soundstage on these earbuds are not very wide, so you feel that you're using earbuds and not something like big headphones. But that's understandable considering the size of the drivers in these earbuds. Call quality on this is okay, but not the best I've heard. In quiet environments, these work great, but when there's background noises, and inevitably there will be, the earbuds kinda struggles to make up your voice and that environment. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Haylou GT5 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So one of the main features on these earbuds is the inclusion of gaming mode, and Haylou claims a decent 65 milliseconds of latency for gaming, which in practice is really quite good, and using these for gaming is really quite enjoyable, and at least for casual gaming you'll be very happy with them. Of course, using it for watching videos on YouTube or Netflix is also really enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So the controls of the GT5 is pretty standard and lets you control most of the controls except for volume controls, but it does comes with the assistant feature so you can control your volume there. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So there you go. To skip tracks forward, double tap on the right earbuds and it will skip your tracks forward, and to skip backwards, double tap on the left earbuds, and to call out your assistant, triple tap on the left earbuds. So triple tap, and it'll pause your media and call out your assistant, and that's where you can get your assistant to control the volume of your media. And lastly, to toggle between gaming mode or regular mode, tap 3 times on the right earbuds and you'll hear a toggle inside saying that whether you're in gaming mode or normal mode. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the GT5. Overall, I'm super happy with the performance of the GT5, and if you're someone who doesn't mind that battery life, this is definitely a super good deal in the budget earbuds realm. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.